Have you checked your major allocation? You can log into the app now to check how many major tokens you got. Many people are not happy with the allocations. A lot of people didn't even get up to one major token. This is so annoying. So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about how you can actually withdraw your tokens, and that's if what you got is even worth withdrawing. Click on the claim rewards, and that's going to bring you here. You can see that out of the 7 criteria, I was able to clinch 6 of them. I didn't make any ton transaction, and as you can see, I got about 70 major tokens. I was actually going to do this, but somehow I forgot. Okay, it is what it is. If I had made that ton transaction, maybe I would have got about 200 or maybe 400, because I was able to get about 1.4 million major tokens. Okay, so say you are ready to withdraw, just click on OK down here. That's going to bring you here. The next step will be to click on exchanges, and that's going to show you a number of exchanges. Okay, it is gonna be listing on these. Okay, so make sure not to use the first one, because a lot of people are from countries where this right here is not allowed. Okay, so you could just use the other ones. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Bybit exchange. Click on that. Okay, and click on continue down here, and that's gonna bring you to this page. Click on this also, and that's going to bring you finally to this page, and the next thing will be to key in these details. So you would have to log into your Bybit app. Okay, if you are going to be using, say, the get.io or the Mexi, the process is pretty much the same. You would have to log into those apps and get these details. So your Bybit UID is going to be there. Click on that right there, and that's going to bring you here. Click on copy. Okay, that right there, and it is going to be copied. Come back here and paste it. Next would be to get the major deposit address. Click on the deposit button. Okay, and click on deposit crypto, this one down there. Okay, and that's going to bring you here. So we want to deposit some crypto, and the crypto in question is major, so we're going to have to search it up there. So this is going to display, so click on it and click on turn, because the network is turned, and the following would display. Click on OK, and it is time to copy this address. Click on copy, and I want you to also pay close attention to the memo. You also would need to copy this, so copy the address. So I'm going to come back here and paste it and copy this one just as I've said earlier, and go back to this place and paste it. Okay, the next will be to click on the send button, and ladies and gentlemen, you can see the details here. Check your data. You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive major. I'm just gonna click on the confirm button, and that's pretty much how to go about withdrawing it to any exchange of your choice. Now you can see the following deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on November the 20th. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so if you've got any questions, let's hear you in the comment section. I'm pretty sure many people are not happy. Let's just be hopeful they list at a reasonable price, maybe around $1.5, but I doubt anything above that. Okay, don't forget, no matter how angry you are, you don't quit. Quitters never win. The moment you quit, you have lost your chances of even making it in the crypto space. There are a lot of other ways to make money in the crypto space: crypto trading, copy trading, okay, meme coin trading. There are a lot of other things, futures, derivatives. I've made a ton of videos about these things. It's just that many people are just interested in airdrops. Check my playlist section, okay, to start learning these other ways to make money in the crypto space. This is for this video. Let's go.